Hi, and thanks for your interest in this video. When my wife and I retired, we lived in New York City for 15 years before moving to North Carolina. But we still get back to New York often. And coming up, Wendy's going to introduce you to one of the places we always like to visit in Central Park.
Tucked away in the heart of Central Park, the Ramble is a true urban escape, offering one of the best walks in the park. This 36-acre woodland feels worlds away from the city, with hidden trails leading through a maze of twisting paths, rocky outcrops, and towering trees. A favorite for birdwatching in Central Park, the Ramble attracts over 200 bird species, making it a must-visit for nature lovers. The area's secluded nooks and rustic bridges make it one of the secret spots in Central Park, perfect for those craving solitude. Whether you're on a Central Park nature walk, a scenic walk, or an adventurous stroll in the woods, this enchanting retreat offers an unforgettable experience. Don't miss out on this Central Park forest, a true hidden gem in New York City. There's more video you can continue to watch. As you do, let me tell you there are hundreds of other travel videos on this vlog, and I hope you'll take a look at some of them. I also want to invite you to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel so you'll be notified when we upload something new. But that's it for now. Thanks for watching.